Thanks for tuning into the Camping Post. Today we're going to talk a little about the HeyTrip SUV tailgate tent with awning. A buddy of mine brought this over. I gotta say, I'm impressed with this little tent. It's fairly cheap. It's around 60 bucks. It's got a super small profile. It's lightweight. The bag could easily be stored in the back of your car, SUV, minivan, whatever. It's got a simple design. Comes with the stakes and the guy lines. You stretch it over the hatch, tighten down a few straps on your tires, tie some lines to your mirrors or roof racks for the top part, and then stake out the front for the fly. This literally took us a few minutes to set up. One person could do it easily in 5 minutes. The poles you see in this video were not included. That was something that was purchased separately, but it looks like a lot of people are using those. It does give you additional height on the fly so that you can sit under there and with a little table or whatever, a couple of people, and chill out. You know, some things we saw the room for improvement. Instead of like the lines on the top that go on your mirrors, it'd be kind of cool if you had some kind of straps like they have on the tires, where you could simply strap and carabiner over your roof racks, or something similar to like what you use for hanging camping hammocks, just to make that a little easier. If you are going to go away from your campsite, you can close the hatch of your car and the tent will still remain on it, so you could lock your vehicle if you were going to go away, unlock your vehicle when you get back, and then you've got your sleeping area and access to stay away from the bugs. So I gotta say, you know, if you're into car camping or you want to try it, it looks like a real great, easy, quick way to set up a tent without actually having to set up a tent or sleep on the ground. Of course, you'd need an air mattress or something in your car, or some kind of pad. Other than that, that's all I got. Hope this helped you. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you later.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications.